there, it's Lisa with Tinker Creek Designs. I wanted to pop on just to show you a quick craft idea. I was in the Salvation Army thrift store and I found a strand of beads. I love to buy beads, and I'm going to angle this down just a little bit so you can see the workstation here. But I like to buy beads that I can disassemble, that I could make something different from them, make a new necklace, or use the beads in crafts. I found this strand and I've already taken it apart. This was one end of it, and then I've taken all these beads off. But what I really liked about it, and this is how it was already strung, is that the larger bead was at the end and they got smaller as we went toward the center, and then they got bigger on the other end. But I was thinking this could be a really cool icicle. So if I took the beads apart and kept about this many, and this is just a clothespin I have on the end to keep the beads from falling off, but I said this could be a really great icicle. So that's what I wanted to do, is make a icicle for the Christmas tree. While I was in Hobby Lobby over the weekend, I found their fairy tale jewelry, and it was on sale. And I found this pendant that was $4.99, but I got it for 50% off. So basically $2.50. So I had this 99-cent string of beads, and then I had this pendant that I purchased for $2.50. So this project's about $3.50. Not a lot of money, but look how pretty this little pendant is when it catches the light. And I thought, okay, I know this is usually for a necklace, but I think it'll be beautiful on a Christmas ornament, and it will catch the light, and I think it'll look lovely. And we just got a new kitten, and I think she's gonna go a little crazy trying to get to this, so it should be fun. So I have gone ahead and I just, like I said, I disassembled the beads. I kept these strung like they were, and this particular necklace had this cool end on it, and I think that's going to be great for my Christmas ornament. So I kept those beads, and then I added the pendant on the end, and look guys, it's made a really cool icicle. And when I hang it on the tree, it's going to catch the light. It already has a nice hook that I can use to put the Christmas tree hook through. I can embellish this a little more if I want. I could add a bell, or some bows on here, but I think what I'll probably do is just clean up the plastic from the wire, and I think this will actually be a really pretty ornament on the tree. So I just want to give you an idea about when you're in your local thrift shop, look at the necklaces. You may be able to make several cool Christmas ornaments for a tree out of one necklace. I am making this one, and I have enough beads from the other end of the necklace to turn this way and make another icicle. I have this that I found in just with my beads from things I've taken apart, and look, I think that would look really pretty on the end of these beads as another icicle. So if you get, just wanted to share an idea. I think it's fun, and so really for under $4 I will have at least 2 new Christmas ornaments that I think will be really pretty. And then I still have all of these beads that I'll be able to do something else with. So if I factor that in, this is a very inexpensive project. This one sold pink one, that was from another necklace, but I'm keeping it in this mix, and then I'll see what we can do with those. I hope you have a great night, and I hope that you will like and share my page. You can find me on Facebook at Tinker Creek Designs, and at YouTube as well. Have a